Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Jeremy Julian, 35 years old from the Philippines. I am single, blessed with one kid, 14 years old. I am a college undergraduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. I have 2 years work experience in Brunei from November 2023 to November 2025, serving a family of three, two adults and one 6 months old newborn baby. My main duty is to take care of the newborn baby. My responsibilities included all household chores such as cooking, cleaning, ironing, and washing the clothes. I also do some marketing. I have also 3 years work experience here in the Philippines from February 2020 to February 2023, serving a family of five, two adults and three children, ages 6, 10, and 12 years old. I do all the household chores, like cooking, cleaning, washing, and ironing the clothes. I also look after the children. I help them with their homework. I am hardworking, trustworthy, and responsible. I always willing to learn new skills. Thank you, Mom and Sir, for considering my application. Hope to see you soon in Hong Kong and I am excited to work with you. Good day, Mom and Sir. Thank you.